So I have a list of colors in column A, and they go from cell A2 down to cell A5. And I want to display a drop-down list in cell C2 using this list of colors. So what I want to do is that I want to go up to the data menu, and I'm gonna go to the data tools, and I'm gonna look for the data validation option. So I'm gonna click in here, and I'm gonna select the data validation, which displays in here. So this is gonna bring up this pop-up window, and it has a section that says allow any value. So I'm gonna look in this drop-down list for the list option. Then I want to make sure that I have these two checkboxes selected, and where it says source, I'm gonna select my colors from the list. So I'm gonna pick from cell A2 down to cell A5, and I'm gonna click OK. So now cell C2 has this drop-down list option. If I click in here, then you can see that I can pick any color that I want. I have yellow, blue, red, and green, which were the original colors that I have in column A. So I can click here in blue. Then I can also copy this cell to other cells. And this is also going to have the drop-down list. So I can pick in here red, and I can pick in here yellow, or I can pick green. So that's how you do a drop-down list with data validation in Excel. Okay, I hope that video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the red button to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. See you next time!